Hello, and I'm Joyce the lawyer. Getting used to, the swelling going down and everything, but it feels natural and it looks natural. It looks like what teeth I should have been wearing all my life instead of anything, fake. Everybody wanted to see my teeth, so my cheeks hurt from smiling all day long because everybody wanted to see them. But everybody thought the same thing. They looked great, and they wouldn't have ever guessed that, other than them looking a whole lot better than my old teeth, they wouldn't have guessed that I had implants. So they look natural. They feel natural. They'll feel more natural as the swelling goes down and we adjust things, and it'll be great. Getting the bottom ones done. Because now I look at the bottom and think, oh my God, I had horrible, horrible teeth all this time, and now that I have nice new ones on top, I want it all to match. So with your clinic, I don't have to wait. I've seen other places where they, over a course of 6 months, or you have to wait so long to actually complete the process. This is done in no time at all. And I just stayed at home for a couple of days and healed up, and then I had teeth. So I didn't have to wait for it because you do everything here. And I didn't like the thought of going to one of the commercial chains, because what I read about your practice is that everything is done here. You get more personal attention, and it's done right instead of, I wouldn't want to go to a chain for anything like that.
Do you have a family feel here, or do you feel?
Oh, definitely. I love everybody here. It's great.
I know it's sad to see you
It's
go.
not like, well, I'll be back in a month to get, some tweaks done, and one of these days I'll be back for my bottom ones. So hopefully soon. Get off some time off of work and get it over with and have all brand new teeth.